Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a signature to a PDF on a PC for free in 2026. So if you need to sign documents digitally without printing them, yeah, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open your PDF using Microsoft Edge or another free PDF viewer. Microsoft Edge already includes built-in PDF tools. Next, click the Draw tool and create your signature using your mouse or touchpad. So this is the easiest free way to sign a PDF. Now place the signature in the correct location on the document. I mean, make sure it fits neatly inside the signature area. So yeah, you can also use free online PDF signing tools. These let you type, draw, or upload a signature image. Next, save the signed PDF to your PC. Keep the original file separate in case you need it later. Finally, reopen the PDF and check that your signature appears correctly. So make sure the file is ready before sending it. And that's how to add a signature to a PDF on a PC for free in 2026. Once you use built-in tools or free online editors, signing documents becomes fast and easy. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF and productivity tutorials. Hey everyone, in this tutorial,